Hi, I know it's been a while, but since we are trying to avoid the coronavirus, I wanted to share with you to do the pattern. As you can see, when I did this one, I didn't curve it enough. So when you do it, remember to curve it a little bit more so you can see better. You can still see through, like, but if you want it more curved, you can do that too. So, there. Okay, without taking more of your time, let's start. In this tutorial, you will learn how to do the pattern for face mask with pillow style pocket and side pocket style. The materials that you will need will be the following: a paper, ruler, or a measuring tape, and you're gonna measure the paper with the measurements in the screen. You're gonna fold the paper in half, and then you're gonna mark these measurements here. And what I did here, I measured from one point to the other, but then you can also measure it from the top of the paper to the bottom of the paper, like I'm gonna do in here. And you can do just for 14 and 18 centimeters. Okay, now you're gonna do a line at the bottom. Make sure you measure the other side of the paper so the line is straight. Then you're gonna cut it, and now you're going to take more measurements, which will be the followings. In this one, I'll be measuring from that side to the other one, and the same but from the other side. The arrows indicate the direction I'm measuring, and we're going to do the same measurements at the top of the paper. Okay, will be 5 and 4.5 centimeters. Now we're going to take a measurement on the side, which will be 10 centimeters. Check the direction of the arrow, and now we're gonna do some lines connecting the top and bottom measurements like this. And how you do it, now we're gonna take more measurement on that line that we just made. Will be 3.3 centimeters, and on the bottom I did a mistake, so make sure you double check that you have the same measurement or the right measurement. So here I noticed something was off, so I double check, and you'll see I fixed a mistake here. I'm double checking here, and then I just crossed out and do the 3.3 centimeter as I have planned to do. Okay, so we have that. Now we're gonna take from that point to that point, we're gonna do a curve going up, and at the bottom we'll do a curve going down from the 3.3 centimeters to the side of the paper. I made a mistake. I made the curve going up when it should be going down from the side, the 10 centimeter or 14 centimeter mark to the 3.3 centimeter mark, like this. Now we're going to do the same thing from the 3.3 centimeter mark to the 4.5 centimeter mark, and we're going to do that curve going down again like this. Okay, now we're gonna do the same at the top, but the curve will be going up in here in the top. Okay, from that mark to the other, and it will going up. Okay, now we're gonna do the nose part, which is from that 10 centimeter mark to the top where it is 4.5. First, I cannot do it too slanted, so I need to be more curved so the nose can fit in there, because that's the nose area, right? Now I'm trying to fix it up here, and now we're gonna do the chin area, right? After I erase this, sorry about that. Okay, now in the chin area from the 4.5 to the 10, and this one can be a little bit more close curve, and the other one is more like an open curve. Okay, you see here, and we pretty much finished with the design here. In the this is the under eye area. Make sure you make it more curved so you have more space under the eye, like I said at the beginning of the video. And you will see in the next steps that I did a version with the eye more curving. Okay, here I'm zooming out so you can see all the pattern. This is the nose area, And this is the chin area. Okay, and now we cut it in half. This half will be for the filter of the pillow style mask, and we cut it out, and this will be the inside liner or the both pockets for this pillow style. Here you see that I did the eye area deeper. Now for the other one, the side pocket style, you need to do an adjustment and add an 1 inch extra. You're gonna turn it and 1 inch extra in there, and 1 inch to the outside liner as well. For the filter, you're gonna do this curve so it fit the mask better. And here you see the inside liner and the outside liner. You have 1 inch difference between them both, and this is for the side pocket style mask, and you're pretty much done. And now it's just sew it. You will see the video for the side pocket adjusted or fitted mask. Let me know which one you like better, if you like that style or the original style with the pillow style pocket or the accordion mask. Let me know in the comments which one you like better. Just, I would like to know. Well, I hope you like this video. Remember always to be careful even when you're wearing your mask. So that's it. A hug, stay safe, and take care. Ciao.